What are you doing? You can't eat your foot and the food, Malia. Malia.
Here we go. Wow.
Malia, get your foot out your mouth.
Do you want the spoon or do you want... Oh, Lord. She preferred to feed her off her feet. So I'll just slide it on your feet. How about that?
You're a twerp. No.
Malia.